Hello, traders, and welcome to a quick update on natural gas. Today is Tuesday, March 7th, and it's just after 4 p.m. Central Time. I want to look at a couple of options that I see in natural gas. So, as you can see, I've got a whole bunch of upside targets if we can bust up, but I don't like the price action that happened today. So, just going to zoom in on a 30 minute here. So we got, the big move up, and then, we gapped down and sold off all day yesterday. And to me, it looks like this came down in three waves. So you had this one, two, and three waves, which is enough for all of the correction. But if I zoom in even further, what I see going up was it just made this leading diagonal, a three wave correction, and then here's an ending diagonal. So that that's one of two things. It's one, two, three, and that could be the start of the next bull run. So I'd expect three waves down, and then you get three, four, and five. But I just don't like how this couldn't get going today. So it went up, but it's very choppy, short waves up. So I'm leaning towards one of two things, and both require more downside. So this could be we could be all just correcting this thing. So this move down was A, this is B, and now we're going to come down somewhere in here. So somewhere between 2488 and maybe 24, somewhere down here for the C wave, and then resume up. So obviously coming down and breaking that low and watching the reaction in this area will be crucial. The bearish count is that we're in the process of making a leading diagonal going down. So if I zoom back out, I still see the possibility of this expanding flat playing out. So that could be the expanding flat, and now we're just in the process of coming down to take this low. And that's the price action today made me revisit this expanding flat. I was starting to think that maybe we could be busting out of here, but it didn't really move, obviously like this impulse up. So it's still definitely corrective to me. It's just going to be a matter of, is it correcting for total downside, or is it just coming down for the C wave? So that's what I see. So I got three waves down and we got three waves up, and now it's a matter of how is this react, how do they react? Because if this is the start, if this is just one, then it shouldn't come much farther than maybe like 2.5, I don't know, 2.58 ish, somewhere in here before reversing. So if it comes down in three waves and then it can come back and take out this high, this 2698 that it created today, then that's looking like they're creating a leading diagonal, and then that'll be bullish. But if it comes down hard, so basically, tomorrow, I mean, if it's coming down and it's taking out this low, 2506, I'd be very leery about even buying in here, not until you get some confirmation that there's some up move, because it could just all be creating a diagonal going down. So those are the two views that I see. I mean, if it's going to be bullish, it obviously has to hold 2506, if it's going to be making a leading diagonal. And then if it does bust through here, then it really needs to hold 2.4, I think. I mean, it could come down, you don't know, natural gas, right? I mean, it could come all the way down here, just a few ticks above, and then totally reverse. But I think for the bullish scenario, I mean, if that's A and we've created B, I think C should finish somewhere in here. And then that needs to hold. But, you know, if it's really strong and then you see just a little three wave, and, you know, that's one, that was two, came down for three, this would be four, you know, and then they're coming down for five, you know, and five might come and break it, or, you know, might be short, and then they'll give you a correction and then down. But these are the key things to watch. This little area in here, if that doesn't hold, then the 2.4 has got to hold. Otherwise, I think we're making another visit down low. All right, quick update on natural gas. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching. Good luck.